driving. We're going straight. Kings Highway, driving school, Brooklyn, New York. Okay. Keep straight here. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. Okay, we're on Kings Highway here, Brooklyn, New York. We cover these areas as well. So if you do, make a right turn here. If you do need any lesson on this area, Pierre driving school does cover this area as well. Okay. Thank you very much. You see, you're checking the shoulders. That's what I'm talking about. Got it?
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. For the purpose of the road test, these are the things that you need to do. Whenever you turn in, you check mirrors and shoulders, and you'll be passing your road test with flying colors. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. You're doing good.
Thank you.
You're doing good.
Just doing it.
That's good. Yeah. At the beginning, you weren't doing it, but that's okay. I just started. You know what I mean? Yeah. But for the road test, stick on the shoulder. You hear, folks? For the purpose of the road test, always check mirrors and shoulders whenever you're doing anything contrary to going straight. That's the thing that the DMV. This guy hit dead wrong. Yep. But hey, it's Brooklyn. What can you say? Keep straight. Yep, we're on the Kings Highway here, Brooklyn, New York. Driving school there. We cover these areas as well. So if you do leave on the area, hit us up, Pierre driving. Keep straight. You're doing good. Keep straight. Left turn at the light. Left. Left turn. You know what to do. Pull into the middle. Keep the take your time. Traffic ahead. That's the right of way. Traffic ahead has the right of way. Let's go now. We turn red. Let's go. Okay. Make your turn. Drive. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Okay. Take your time here. Take your time. Hold back. Keep straight. Now let me explain.
Yes.
Keep going straight. For the purpose of the road test, whenever you're making an intersection turn, traffic on the block has the right of way. Remember we've done this before?
Yes.
Okay, keep going. You're good. Now for the road test, that would have been a straight F, right? Keep pushing. That would have been a straight F. Okay? Because that's fail to yield right away at to traffic at the intersection. Let's make a left turn here. Yeah. For the purpose of the road test, whenever you turn in at the intersection, the traffic on your block has the right of way. You're looking at two things: the traffic and the lights. Whichever, let's make a left turn. Whichever one clears first, you make the turn. Okay? Make a turn here. That's good. See, you got the shoulder together. You know, very good.
Just paying attention to it.
That is correct. It's those little detail we have to pay attention to. Okay? All right. There you go. Keep it going. We're going straight across. We have the right of way. Keep it going. Keep it going. What could we have done here? We go out to a right. Remember?
Yes.
Let's do your thing first. Go around it. All right. Beautiful. What else? Did you check the mirrors and shoulders going on in the car? No, you didn't. Okay. That's good. That's right. Whenever you're signaling, you must check the mirrors and shoulders.
Just which one of the mirrors?
The direction you signal. You signal left, right?
Yes.
Mirror left, shoulder left.
Okay.
Let's make a right turn at this corner here. Take your time, right turn. Okay. Which mirror are we gonna check?
We're gonna check the right.
Okay. Do your thing. Mirror right, shoulder right. You see, you said right, you're checking left.
Right here?
Okay. Take your wheel. Yeah, you can make it a right turn, right? Yeah. You didn't check the shoulder. Check it last. You checking the mirrors and shoulder first before making the turn. What's the purpose of checking it? To make sure it's clear.
Yes.
So I'm saying you check on the opposite. That's often with students. You're not the only one. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. Which shoulder will we be checking in at?
Right shoulder.
Thank you very much. The direction we're going. Okay? That's good. You are right shoulder right. You are, okay, then make your turn fall to your closest right lane. Okay, take your time here. Turn was good, okay? We're making a left turn at the intersection here. Left turn. Right here. Left turn. Okay. Okay, turn is no good. You see why? Where are you? You're on the wrong side of the street. Okay? That's the automatic disqualification, okay? At the traffic light coming up, we're making a right turn. See, you're in the middle of the street again. It's a 2-lane street. You keep to your right. There we go. There we go. Unable to keep straight, driving right onto the wrong side of the traffic. Serious matter. There you go. There you go.
No, I just.
What's up?
This true. I messed that one up.
Yeah, that's okay. We're learning. Okay with it. That's the purpose. You have to make all your mistake here, yeah? You see where this car turning? It's turning on us. If we were driving here, where would have been? On their way.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright. Very common at the wood test side. Still making the wrong turn, okay? Alright. Let's go when you're ready, making a right turn. Your right shoulder right. Your right shoulder right. Make your turn, not on the bike lane. Okay, take your time here. Beautiful, roll it back, nice and smooth. At the light coming up, right turn. At the light coming up, right turn. Lean towards your turn, you're making the right turn here. That's right. Turn the wheel. Take your time here. Alright, keep it going here. Good. We're gonna do a parallel parking all the way up to the with the gold car all the way up. You see it? The Honda Accord all the way to the right, yes?
Yes, the
Yes.
one.
Parallel parking, you know what to do. Okay. Lean more towards your car. Okay.
Get closer.
Cover the brake to come slow. You're gonna stop around. Mirror to mirror. Remember?
Yes.
Mirror to mirror. Okay. Do your thing from here.
All right. Let me remember.
Please take your time.
Please take my time. Okay. Take us. So if I'm reversing, then I reverse, and I gotta turn. That's
One full turn to the right. Right there. Okay.
Do I have to put?
You can if you want to. You don't have to.
Okay. Good.
Yeah, you can if you want to. You don't have to. All right. You do your thing. Do your thing. Do your thing.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. And that's it.
Completely to the left. All right. Wow, look at you. 1.5 to your right. 3/4. The one down more. Right there. Okay. We put in drive. Get your car straight. This is straight right here. Pull up a little bit to make sure we're straight. Beautiful. Into parking. Does not get any better than this. Okay.
Wow, yeah.
Do you remember K10 3-point turn?
Yes.
Okay,
so,
let's do one from here.
All right. So my foot is on the brake. I gotta put reverse.
Okay. Where do we look when the car going back?
Back again.
Okay, let's go.
Give me enough space.
Okay. Do your thing from here. Okay. All right. Okay.
Pretty sure.
Drive stuff. All right.
And then I hold
Left
on.
to the right. Left to the right. Left to the right.
Left to the right. To the left and to the right.
Put it in reverse is okay. That's an automatic disqualification. Okay. One gear selection. Make sure you always selected the gear.
First.
Okay. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. does not get any better than that. Recover before accelerating. Okay, keep straight. Always make sure you recover first before begin to accelerate, okay? We're gonna make a right turn at this traffic light coming up onto the main road, okay? You know what I mean by the main road, right? Had I not told you anything, you would have make the turn by yourself to where? To the closest right lane. But since I said the main road, you're gonna drive onto the main road. Show me the main road.
The main road
is where?
In the middle.
Okay, where those cars are going. Okay, where those trucks is going. That's the main road. Had I not told you anything, had I not told you anything, you would have make the turn to the closest.
Right.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Yes. The 3 turn and parallel parking were good though. They were good, yeah. They were good, yeah, that's good. Just have to be a bit more familiar. Let's go.
Yeah, just more practice.
Yes. Thank you very much. Recover. All right, folks, like, share, and subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do so. This is Benny with Pierre Driving School. This lesson was on King's Highway Driving School. If you need a lesson on the area, we'll be more than happy to help you with it. Until then, keep practicing. This is Benny with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.